Alright, welcome to Manos Music Piano Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite beginner songs, a super fun jam called Sweet Home Alabama. Super simple, everybody knows it, it's a 3-chord song, and it's a kind of a nice introduction to the key of G. So we have been talking about songs in the key of C with no black keys. Now we're going to be talking in the key of G, which is our last chord of the tune. And when we're in the key of G, our notes start on G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So we have, instead of F, we're going to have an F sharp in this key. And that's a nice introduction in the key of G. Okay, so our 3 chords in this tune are going to be D. But remember, in our last key of C, we had D minor, which is F natural. But now we're going to be making it major, and we're going to have F sharp in it. That's our only black key in this tune. And then we're going to go to C. Then we're going to go to G. Pretty simple. That's the whole song. And when I tell people who are learning the rhythm to do this tune, I think left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right. So notice that G chord is twice as long as the other two. So it's going to be D for 2, C for 2, G for 4. D, C, great tune to practice chord flipping as well, because you can make D and C be the same. But watch carefully as I go to G now. So what I did was I kept the G from my C chord and simply kept my pointer on D and I moved my thumb to B, and I have a nice smooth G chord. And that's pretty much the whole song. So now I'm going to add in octaves, and the next before that, the next rhythmic element would be left, left, right, da-dum. If you can figure that out, that gives it that extra bounce. So it's kind of like an extra note going into the next chord. So D, D, C, C, G. Gives it that nice bounce. So I'm going to show you what that sounds like with full chords. So I may have gotten a little bit fancy on that run through, but the key being that we're keeping that energy and that rhythm going throughout. And again, this is a great song to practice chord flipping because it's simply only 3 chords. So when I play, I go all over the keyboard playing from D. Again, I'm playing around with the rhythm a lot. I'm having some fun with it. But if you can start discovering different ways to play each one of these 3 chords and really just play with the rhythm, I think a lot of the times the keyboard as like a drum set. You know, something like that. This is a great tune to kind of experiment with that. And if you want to get crazy, here's kind of the start of the piano solo. So if you're advanced enough to know and you want to try, good luck and have fun.